Time for some IPSY. Should have an introduction like that for my IPSY videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see with the title, I got my IPSY. I'm so excited about my IPSY. It's like a little gift to myself. You know, every month I just get some really pretty products, and I feel like lately these months have just been flying by. I mean, do you guys feel like that? Like, time is just whoosh. Where is it going? I don't know. I mean, I just got my May IPSY and now I already have my June. Like, how? Has it really been a month already? All right, let me stop rambling and let's get into the IPSY. So for this month, oh, I felt something different besides my bag. So I was like, ooh, what is that? I got something extra? No, it's not extra. The bag, oh no, I have a little loose thread in mine. It's okay. I have a little loose thread. It just ripped it. This is the design for this month's IPSY and I like it and I match. And I did not plan this, I promise. I didn't plan it. But it doesn't feel as heavy in there because I have one of the items outside. So let's get right into it. It's really pretty in the front and it has like a plain red in the back. So it's like different shades of a pink to a red. And I think the other bags that they have for this month is like a blue one and a yellow one, if I'm correct. So where the zipper is, it has a little heart. That is cute. So let's get right into what's inside. So of course you get this card. So this is the card for this month. So it's an IPSY bag to celebrate Pride Month. So that's why they have the design like this in the front. So that's really nice. And so the products that I have inside are, first thing I see in my bag is this brush by DOUCCE. And it's a small shader brush. I do like the design of their brushes with the pink and the rose gold, and I can use a shader brush. I like shader brushes. So the next item I have in my bag is this PIXI Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. This is a great size for travel, and I have heard good things about this. So it does say that it gently exfoliates and brightens, revealing healthy skin glow for all skin types. It's alcohol-free, dermatologist tested, and you can use it AM and PM as needed. So I am definitely going to try this. I have been actually lately doing really good with my skincare, so this is definitely something I can incorporate in that. Let's move on. So the next thing I have is this JONTEBLU Ultra Lasting Formula Eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and it's a 24-hour liner. So it doesn't say waterproof, but it does say Ultra Lasting Formula. So let's just open this up and see what that looks like. For once, the packaging wasn't that bad to open. It has that kind of a felt tip to it. And ooh, oh, I like that. So I'm gonna let it dry first and then see if it is waterproof. Because if it's waterproof, that would be great. I mean, if it's not, it's okay because they don't claim that it's waterproof, but it does say 24 hours. So shouldn't that kind of be like waterproof? We will test that out. Oh, that will make my wing liner so much easier. So the last thing I have in my bag is this. Let me take the wrapper off. Be easy, don't make me struggle. All right, good, thank you. So the last thing I have in my bag is this DOUCCE lip stain in the color Holiday Getaway. So this is a very beautiful color. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Huh, that's a lot. That is a lot. So it's a lip stain, so let's see how that stains my hand. We'll come back to it in a second. So the last thing that I have from IPSY is this facial mask, and it is Perfect Radiance with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. So I guess this one is called Unicorn Glow. That's a pretty package. So under the benefits, it says, enjoy this unicorn chocolate with 0 calories. That's cute. and give your skin what it craves. In just 15 minutes, our delicious antioxidant-rich chocolate and mulberry act together to help visibly brighten and treat uneven skin tone, while honey hydrates and softens your skin, giving you the perfect complexion. Ooh, the perfect complexion. I really want to work on evening my skin tone. I think that's very important. Also, fixing the texture of my face because of the acne that I've had in the past. So I like anything that helps me to even the skin tone and fix those kind of things. I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm probably gonna take all of this off right now and put this on. That sounds like a good idea. I actually like everything that I got this month, and I'm actually kind of excited for it. Oh, and so let's see if this is waterproof. It's not completely smudge proof. As you can see, there's a little bit of smudging going on, but I'm actually okay with that. Like, I really rubbed it, and you can see a little bit of darkness, but I'm not actually mad about that. And then the lip stain does come off a little bit on my hand right here, but it is staying on. And I feel like this is a really good color for what I have going on right now. So are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's just take this off. Yeah, let's take it off. Oh, that reminds me, if you like the look that I have on or had on 2 seconds ago with the lips, I do have a video for that coming up. And if it's already up, I'm going to leave a link to it right here so that you guys can click on it and see how I put this whole look together. So please check it out. All right, so let's try this lip stain. What does it smell like? Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I put a little too much on. Okay, so this is a lot going on for my skin tone, I feel like. So yeah, I do like the color. I just shouldn't put this much on. So let me just wipe some of this off. Okay, so I said some, and I took the whole thing off. Let me put a little bit on, okay? Just like a tiny it like that. Tint, yes. See, that I can work with. Okay, this I can work with. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Vaseline. Yeah, I just need to help me blend it in a little bit. Okay, so the lip tint, it was weird. I felt like the formula of it was very, it's definitely not creamy. But it's one of those things I think you have to work quick because it dries really fast, and then that's it, you know? But like, even when I was like kind of like moving my lips together, it was like the formula of it is just weird. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not like a creamy glide. It was just like, I guess just like a true tint. Maybe that's how tints are. Either way, a lot of it is definitely not gonna work for me. I just, no. But just a light tint of it, a light tint of the tint looks really good. And me even adding the Vaseline to my lips did not make my lips feel like, oh, I lost the color or anything. It does work. If I don't add any lip balm to it, I feel like my lips would be very very dry, and that would be very uncomfortable for me. But right now it feels good. It doesn't bother me. Yeah, it feels like I just have some Vaseline on. It's not super glossy. You definitely want to make sure you exfoliate your lips before you put a tint. This will get into those little dry spots, so definitely exfoliate your lips. But other than that, I think this is a nice color. It goes with the makeup that I have on right now, which is very fitting. So that's everything for my IPSY this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think IPSY did a very good job again this month. I liked everything that I got. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use all of it. All of it. I'm going to use all of it for sure. The lip tint, of course, I'm going to put it on lightly like I have on right now. I'm not going to put it on the way that I did earlier. Nobody wants to see that, you know? You know what? Leave a comment below letting me know if you like this look compared to the other look, or you think I can pull off both. I definitely don't think I can pull off both. I think I would stick with a really light tint of that lip tint. But everything else was great, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox, unbag my IPSY, and I hope you guys join me again for another video. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please click that subscribe button. Oh, and click that little bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. I mean, I just got my, what month this is?